Okay, so what we have to do first is we have to soften our mascarpone cheese. It is very, very important. You have to do this first. If you try to whip the cream first, you will end up with lumps. Please do the mascarpone first. You want to whip it until it's soft and creamy and smooth. Now we're going to add our heavy cream. Once I have made sure that the mascarpone and the cream are well incorporated, I switch to the whip attachment. I am going to add the tiniest splash of the Fiori di Sicilia extract. When our cream is about halfway to where we want it to be, we will add our powdered sugar and a teeny tiny pinch of salt. I changed the speed and I brought the speed up because now we're adding air to our cream. Now I'm going to start to add my powdered sugar. Now we have it on low so that we don't cover ourselves in powdered sugar. That's very unpleasant. It's funny on I Love Lucy, it's not funny in real life. Once the powdered sugar has moistened, we can take the speed back up. We want to be right about here. This is where we're going to check it. Now, I don't care for very hard whipped cream, so I like to stop just short of that firmness. I'm going to check it with a rubber spatula. See how nice and creamy that is? We don't want any lumps, but we don't want it over whipped either. See? It stays right on there. I think we'll stop right there. All I did was take the cream and drop it on top, and I put a lot on there because I want the height. I want it to be kind of dramatic because we've got such nice thick layers of cake, strawberry cake. I wanted a little height for a little drama on top. So now I'm just going to smooth